ever noticed how birds keep their nests nice and clean? That's it! Every day, the bird cleans the fallen feathers, food, and waste out of the nest. This way, the nest is always clean and tidy, so that the chicks can play while they wait for their daddy and mommy to bring the food. And you? Do you tidy your toys after playing with them? Do you clean up the mess you make at home? Like the bird, we should also keep our room tidy. We must tidy the toys after playing. This way, we will find them easily the next time.